Two groundbreaking AI tools, two very different purposes. Which one really delivers? On the left, Anyword, predictive AI copywriting for marketers. And on the right, Stable Diffusion, open source AI image generation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. By the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Let me pop up a quick mind map so you can get the lay of the land. Here's what we're comparing. Core function, like what does it even do? Best use case, analytics and insights, price, integrations, performance, and community support. Yep, pretty much every angle that can make or break your workflow. First off, core function. Anyword? It's all about data-driven text generation. If you've ever wanted predictive analytics baked into your copy, think stuff like tweaking for specific audiences, this is your jam. Downside? It's kind of stuck in the text lane. Now, Stable Diffusion, oh, and here's something cool. It takes your text prompts and unleashes high-quality images. And with a few plugins, you can even push into video, audio, 3D. Only hitch? Don't expect it to help with text-heavy projects, and you'll need some decent hardware. So, honestly, both tools absolutely crush their core purpose, but in their own way. We'll call this one a tie. Let's talk best use case. Anyword is like a copywriter's secret weapon. Ad copy, blog posts, emails, landing pages, all that good stuff. And it keeps your brand voice consistent, too. Clearly not made for any sort of visual creatives, though. So if you're after those, enter Stable Diffusion. This thing, artists love it. Concept design, super unique marketing visuals, prototyping, customizable models, they're all totally in its wheelhouse. But if you only care about writing, probably not your top pick. So yeah, it's a tie again, but for totally different audiences. All right, now here's where Anyword actually flexes. Analytics and insights. Seriously, if numbers make you happy, you'll be obsessed. Predictive performance scores, ROI tracking, conversion data, all built in. Downside? Sometimes it gets a bit generic, so keep an eye on that. Stable Diffusion, well, that's just not its thing. No analytics, no campaign feedback. So, easy win for Anyword in this round. Oh, quick intermission. Did you know Stable Diffusion can run privately on your own computer so you get total control over your creative process? And Anyword has literally powered campaigns scoring brands like Bluefly over $1.2 million in email revenue boosts. That's kind of nuts, if you ask me. On to price, and let me just say, things get interesting. Anyword gives you a free trial. Love that. But the starter plan starts at $49 per month and jumps way, way up for big teams or custom needs. It can scale pretty fast, so budget matters here. Flip side, Stable Diffusion is open source, so you can download and use it locally for free. Even tons of cool web interfaces out there that are free or super cheap. But if you want fancy cloud GPU setups, you'll pay. Still, Stable Diffusion totally wins in affordability. Integrations! Anyword rolls smooth with WordPress, Hootsuite, and a handful of MarTech tools. If you work with those, it feels seamless. Plus, there's a Chrome extension built for your workflow. Only catch? It doesn't really wander out of the marketing world. Stable Diffusion? This is honestly wild. Massive community, hundreds of plugins, different UIs, APIs flying everywhere. But heads up. You'll need a touch of tech know-how to milk the most out of it. Bottom line, Stable Diffusion's got the broader playground for integrations. What about actual performance and output quality? Anyword spits out fast, polished marketing copy, and for short to medium form, it nails it. Go long sometimes gets a bit surface level, let's be real. Stable Diffusion, though, wow. We're talking cinematic, high-res artwork and models that upgrade constantly. Want to fine-tune for your own signature style? Totally doable. Only real hiccup is if your prompts get super complicated, sometimes the results can get a little weird. So, both bring serious heat, but each with its own flavor. This is another tie. Let's wrap up with community and support. Anyword's got business support, especially if you pay for the fancy tiers. But overall, its user community isn't huge. For Stable Diffusion, one word, massive. Tons of folks tinkering, building, sharing models, dropping updates. Official support? Not so much. But if you don't mind community-driven tips and hacks, it's amazing. Stable Diffusion takes this round for sheer size and energy. Let's lay out the scores visually in a radar chart, so you can actually see which tool blows the other out of the water in each area. Anyword dominates in analytics. Stable Diffusion murders the game in both community and integrations, and both absolutely shine in their core jobs. Here's the deal. Anyword is the go-to weapon if you want text copy that converts, and analytics to prove it. Seriously, marketers, look no further. But if you live for creative visuals, customizable artwork, or you want to be part of a huge, ever-evolving community, Stable Diffusion is where it's at. Honestly, these tools work best together rather than against each other. So if your workflow lets you use both, you win. Want even deeper breakdowns of AI tools like these? Go ahead, bookmark this page so you don't miss out. And stay tuned, because soon I'll be dropping guides on combining text and image AI to totally supercharge your next campaign.